Alright, here's another one. DJI prop noise. DJI Inspire 1 with the new 1345 LS propeller mounting plates. Got it today, installed them, all new, nice, easy install. But here's what I get. Same as the Inspire 2. But DJI also sent me this thing, a baggie with these little foam pieces in it. And for some reason I found out what they go to. If I take this one off, it's making a noise. Matter of fact, this one doesn't make the noise because it has an insert. One of these little thingies. So I'll show you the difference. See if you can see it. I don't think so. There we go. One has an insert, one doesn't. So now I'll place this one on and let you hear the difference. Noise all gone. So their fix is that little piece there. It goes inside this hole. With a double-sided piece of tape like that. Then you put it on top. That's the fix. DJI's fix to their thousands of dollars machine. Little foam inserts. Probably leftover material from something. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you soon with the Inspire 1.